Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about summer vehicle maintenance that can prevent costly repairs and keep you on the road throughout the summer. It's good to give your vehicle a little love and care. It will give back to you, I promise. So just a couple items that will help you along the way. One is cooling systems. If you have not had your coolant replaced in the last 3 years or 50,000 miles, or you haven't had the cooling system inspected, it's a good time to get the vehicle in and have those items looked at and the coolant replaced on your vehicle. Transmission service, we recommend around 20,000 miles once a year. A little sooner than the manufacturer recommends, but we do know at the West Automotive Group, it does prevent overheating of the transmission, internal failures, removes contaminants. There's always wear and tear and metal that's produced inside a transmission, as you can see. So taking care of that's very important. Replacing air filters. If you have an air filter that's dirty, it reduces fuel mileage, can allow contaminants through into your engine over time, small tears in the membrane of the filters. So replacing an air filter just lets your engine breathe nicely and more easily, better fuel mileage. And once again, tire pressure. Make sure you're taking care of those tires. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.